So hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Plan Gaming 001. Today we're gonna watch another with 001 landing hashtag. So let's start. Let's start with the Boeing 747. A song. Yeah, this is a song. That's what this thing landing.
150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, that's a very better landing. Do we have another? Yes. Ooh, Ryanair landing. Let's watch this. Butter song.
150.
We got a butter song. It's gonna be a landing.
150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
That was nice landing. Okay, let me start with crosswind butter. Okay, crosswind, let me see this thing. Oops. Okay, here. That's very okay. Bottom. Okay, wait a bit. Ooh, that's very nice. I think it can be 5, 9 of 10. Yeah. Illinois FS. I hate that. Hurry up.
50.
Okay, that's been nice.
40, 20, 10, 10. 150, 50, 20, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Woo, that's very butter. Let's start to another. Okay. What is this?
150,
Dirty landing.
150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
That's been very nice. Let's watch this again. Yeah. 9. 5 of 10. Let's start with another.
Alright, here we have a Ryanair landing. I don't know what to imagine
Oh,
of a Ryanair landing.
1,000,
let me start now.
20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 50, 40,
It's not
30, 20,
landing.
10.
Oh yes, very nice. Just absolutely wonderful. This is absolute art. I like to see what I just saw here. Perfect.
Bad landing. That's what they say in
50, 40,
990
30, 20, 10.
Ooh, we have another view here. Forget it. Oh, another W001 landing. What?
Spoilers.
That's been really bad. See? Bad landing. So, hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye guys.